Hey guys, welcome to the Conscious Entrepreneurs channel, and in today's video I want to be sharing with you how you can make money on Fiverr with little to no skills. Now you may be thinking, what little to no skills? Is that even possible? Like on Fiverr, you need to be able to have some kind of skill. Well, I'm about to share with you literally how you don't even need to have any skill, but still you could be selling and making money. Now, everyone has some kind of something to share. Maybe not a skill. I mean, everyone has a skill in whether you might think you do or you don't. It can be as simple as knowing something, one little basic thing that no one knows how to do, but you know how to do, okay? It could be watching a simple video on YouTube, learning something and knowing that knowledge, that information when no one else knows it, okay? You have acquired some kind of knowledge that can benefit someone else, okay? And that is maybe not a skill, but it can teach someone something, okay? So everyone has something and knows something that someone else doesn't know, and you can take advantage of this and make money out of that, okay? So how are you going to make money? How are you going to apply this principle to Fiverr? It's really simple and it's easy. So even if you think that you don't know anything, you could literally take a course on Udemy. You could literally get information free on YouTube. You don't even have to take a course, and you don't even have to pay for a course, okay? I mean, I say that to get a course because there is some really awesome courses on Udemy that you just can't get anywhere else. I've taken courses on Udemy that have helped me and taught me so much. And same with YouTube. I've actually learned things on YouTube that I've never learned anywhere else, and it's helped me so much. So, it's basically, you can literally go on YouTube, find information that you've never known before, like some new information, and then literally like teach that on Fiverr. Okay, you can open up, basically you create. So what I did last time, okay, so back in the day, this was kind of Black Cat. Back in the day, there was a website, and I think it still exists, but I don't know if they can still do what they were doing before. But basically, in a nutshell, this website was giving away like the brand new launched courses that were coming out on the market, like affiliate marketing products. They would literally give them away for free. Like literally, you just go to a certain link and then you download the product and then you get access for free for the product, okay? So you've got access to a whole bunch of courses for free on a website that you can literally just download the courses and check out I mean, there were so many courses. I can't even explain to you how many courses they were, but product owners were really getting pissed off, which I can totally understand. I mean, if you've put your hard work and sweat and blood into creating this product, and then people are there on the internet downloading it for free, it's gonna piss anyone off, I guess. So but what I actually did is, because I knew this website, and I'm going to be honest, I was taking advantage of it, and I was I was downloading a lot of the courses. Then what I did is I went to Fiverr and I said, I will share with you a website that you can get any internet marketing course for free. I will show you a secret on how you can get any internet marketing course for free, okay? So that was my gig, okay? And it took a couple of months, no one was really buying it. But then people started to actually buy this thing. Now, the amazing thing about that is, once they purchase the gig, you have like an instructions to follow. I literally just gave them a whole bunch of instructions to follow on the instruction like message part, like once they basically buy the gig, they see that message, and that's done. Like, that's my work done. I didn't have to do any work. I didn't have to do any create websites or do any of like technical stuff. Like literally that was done. Like it was just a bit of information that I was sharing on Fiverr, and I set it up where automatically that information goes to them. So I gave them the website and everything, and all the information, all the instructions they needed automatically. So the minute they purchase it, they get all that information, and they were happy. You know, people were rating it 5-star, and people were happy with it. And I literally wasn't even there. Like, I never even checked my sales until months later, and then I realized, oh my god, this, you know, a whole bunch of people have bought this, and you know, I haven't literally done anything. Like, literally, I wasn't doing anything. There was no work involved. So literally, that is, you know, making money on Fiverr with literally having no skill. Like, you know, I'm not like designing a website for someone. I'm not doing logo design. I'm not doing any type of skill on Fiverr. So you could literally do the same thing. Anything that you learn on YouTube. For example, you know, you see my YouTube videos, you see other people's YouTube videos, and they can share some really cool hacks or tips, or anything you learn, basically, you can share on Fiverr. You know what some people are even doing is they are getting PLR books. Okay, if you don't know what PLR is, that's private label rights. So you know, it's a book where you don't you obviously don't create it yourself, but you can sell it, you can resell it, you have the rights to resell it. So what people are doing is they're buying these PLR, and they're going on Fiverr, and they're literally selling it for $5. Okay, a PLR. Okay, so there are many ways that you can make money on Fiverr without actually necessarily having a skill. I mean, you need the skill set to actually use your brain and be a bit creative with it. I'm not gonna lie, but like, in terms of, you know, skill sets, in terms of like website building, logo design, voice narrator, whatever, you don't need any of that, because there's so many things that you can do on Fiverr. Okay, so like I said, a little bit of information on a YouTube video, and you feel inspired to share that with other people, you could go on Fiverr, and you can even create your own document. You know, giving some, it can be an instruction document, like a short instruction document. I mean, the Fiverr gig that I sold about that website wasn't a book. It wasn't like some big long report or anything. It was literally just an instruction. Like, step 1, go to this website. Step 2, download the product. Step 3, now you have access to everything. So basically, you know, it can even be that short, but because the information is so powerful, people still like it, and they're still happy with the you know, with the gig, because it's not always about how long a product is. You know, you can have a 20-page book, but it can be full of crap, basically. Or you can have a short little, you know, instruction thing, but that instruction can actually like help someone so much. So it really depends, like, on the quality of the content. It's not always about quantity. Okay, so people were really happy with it, and you know, I was getting sales. And yeah, like, if you find something valuable and you feel like you can give that and share that with someone, then you can literally just put that up as a gig on Fiverr and say, you know, I will share how blah 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 blah, whatever it is. It doesn't matter what it is. Okay, so there are so many like things that you can learn on YouTube for free, and then just share it on Fiverr. And by the way, the more gigs you have, the more likely it is that you start seeing sales and you start generating sales. Okay, because a lot of the time it takes time to build a gig. Not always do you start making sales. In fact, most cases, you know, it takes a couple of months before you start seeing sales. Not always. I mean, there are cases where people have been lucky, and you know, they get in sales with right off the bat. Within the first few days, they start making sales. That's excellent. But a lot of the time it doesn't work like that on Fiverr. You have to build it up, and you have to, you know, just be patient with it. Okay, but just remember, the more gigs that you have on Fiverr, the more money you can potentially make, because more people are going to see you. You know, just test things out, see what people are, how people are reacting to certain gigs, you know, what people are buying, what people don't want. But yeah, you can, like I said, You can literally, like, even if you don't have any skills, you can go to YouTube, or you can buy a course, take a course, or even, like I said, a PLR product. Okay, it doesn't matter. But literally, the easiest way is literally to go to YouTube, and it can be about anything. It doesn't have to be about internet marketing. You know, it can be any little hack. You know, people like to know about hacks. Okay, you could be sharing 10 hacks of you know, travel hacks, 10 travel hacks, okay? And they can be like really awesome hacks that not many people know about, but you are sharing them, or you found them, you know, somewhere. It doesn't matter where you find them, whether it's YouTube, you know, you buy a course. At the end of the day, you learn that, okay? And that is information, education that can help someone else, okay? And $5 isn't a lot to pay. You know, if they're getting good information, $5 is nothing, okay? So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that it's helped you. And yeah, if you haven't yet got signed up to Fiverr, the link is in the description below this video. Get signed up. What are you waiting for? You know, if you haven't started your gig yet, then, you know, just start. It's free. You can start making money on Fiverr. And also, you know, you can follow me on Steam. Recently, I haven't been on Steam for the past couple of days. But Steam is basically a social media platform where you get paid cryptocurrency to just interact just like you do on Facebook, but you get paid for that, okay? So that can be another way that you can make money, you know, and it's free to join. And yeah, so have an awesome day, and thank you for watching this video. Have an awesome day. Take care.